Hi, I'm Zainab, I'm an artist, and in this video I'm taking you through a deeply personal process. Today I'll be working on two abstract paintings from a series I started a year ago called I Remember a Light. This series is inspired by a childhood memory, a moment that left a lasting impression on me. Swinging on a swing, closing my eyes, I would see a light behind my eyelids, shapeless but familiar, a light that left a trace inside me. These paintings are my attempt to capture that light, not as a clear image, but as a feeling. In this series, I'm trying to capture the light, not a clear image, but a feeling, a moment, the light that appears in my mind when I close my eyes. I finished the first painting a year ago, but the story didn't end there. Recently, I've been focusing on completing unfinished works, and now I want to complete this series. I'm trying to express that light through color and form. Discovering Kandinsky changed the way I see art. Thanks to Özkan Erol's books and Kandinsky's writings, I realized that abstract art is actually an inner necessity. In his 1911 manifesto concerning the spiritual in art, Kandinsky argued that art should focus on the spiritual rather than the material. He believed that the value of an artwork is not in its subject or technical skill, but in the spiritual content that comes from the artist's inner world. According to Kandinsky, true art must come from a deep inner need of the artist. Art is not just about copying an object, it is about creating spiritual vibrations in the viewer. And while creating this series, I truly discovered this idea. Colors and forms were just tools. The real essence was the vibration that came from within. Kandinsky also believed that abstract art is the purest form of expression because it does not rely on recognizable objects. Instead, it directly communicates emotions and inner experiences. For him, a painting should touch the soul, not just please the eyes. In the series, I'm trying to capture that inner light I see when I close my eyes. A light that is not outside, but within. This series consists of 3 small canvases. Each of them captures a slightly different versions of that light I remember. They are not meant to be realistic, they are glimpses of a feeling. Every brush stroke is an attempt to capture that feeling. Sometimes a single color can reflect the warmth of that light. Sometimes a gentle texture can capture the subtle vibrations I remember. Completing this series is not just about painting for me. It's about making my inner landscapes visible. Maybe as you watch, you will remember your own inner lights. If this video inspired you, please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you'd like to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.